What's going on, everybody? It's Cody again, bringing you the second video on this channel. I've got a 2022 F250 that I am about to put a lower valance on, or the wind deflector, or whatever you want to call it. And so I'm working on that right now, and we'll see how it goes. Here's what I got so far. All right, guys, so it looks like it's 8mm bolts with the little clip on them to hold it on. So I've got about 1,000,000 of those to take off right now, but yeah, I'll give you guys a progress update here in just a little bit. Guys, so I got the two-wheel drive Valance right here, and I've put all of these clips on the three sides, and these are already on the truck, the clips that go right here. So yeah, I gotta take off these big ugly things that are poking right here, and be ready to put this thing on. All right, guys, it's a couple days later. I didn't get to film the actual installation of the two-wheel drive Valance, but turns out looks pretty good. I did take those little brackets off so you can't see it underneath the two-wheel drive Valance, but overall it looks good, and here's the final product. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. This thing will be sitting, I'm gonna leave it a surprise, actually. I'm gonna leave it a surprise, but it's gonna be lifted, and it's gonna look real good. So yeah, we'll keep it a surprise for now, but y'all stay tuned.